contributed to the stigmatization of Te Kooti and his ancestors. The Crown profoundly regrets its breaches of the Treaty of Waitangi and its principles, and the devastating effect that these have had on Rongowhakaata. The Crown acknowledges its relationship with Rongowhakaata has involved some of the darkest episodes in our country's history. The Crown recognises that Rongowhakaata have long sought to right the injustices they suffered at the hands of the Crown, and is deeply sorry it has failed until now to address these injustices in an appropriate manner. The Crown is deeply remorseful about the oppression of Rongowhakaata in the 1860s, which began with the Crown's attack on Wairenga-Ahika. The many Rongowhakaata deaths and the exile of many Rongowhakaata to the Chatham Islands were great injustices. These events led to dishonourable summary executions of Rongowhakaata and an effective confiscation of Rongowhakaata land which was unjustified. The Crown unreservedly apologises for these actions and for the enormous suffering that they have caused. The Crown apologises sincerely for its failures since 1840 to respect Rongowhakaata rangatiratanga, and profoundly regrets that over the generations to the present day, its actions have significantly impacted on your social and traditional structures, your autonomy, and your ability to exercise your customary rights and responsibilities. The Crown is deeply sorry and unreservedly apologises for the destructive impact and demoralising effects of its actions, which have caused significant damage to the cultural, spiritual and physical well-being of Rongowhakaata, as well as your economic development. The Crown seeks to restore its tarnished honour with the settlement. The Crown hopes the settlement will mark the beginning of a new relationship with Rongowhakaata, founded on the treaty and its principles. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.